Hi guys, we're shopping for Cinnamoroll stuff, and that's why I wanna look if I can find anything. So what do we have? Oh, what do they have? Oh,
Wag na i-gamit mo na
Oh, this
experience
is
na last time
fancy.
nagpunta tayo.
Cinnamoroll.
Yung sa ano good?
Oh, I think there's another one. I want. Oh, this is best. I will get this pink. This. They have like the chains. Let's go. So I have got one. One and one. Oh, okay. What else? Oops, sorry. So I got my haul. IDK, what's this? IDK. It's best I would just get. What should I get? Guys, please suggest. Oh my god. Can I go show you? Oh. Anything else? Oh, I found the best one. Now we'll pay.
What's that?
Yeah. And I just need two more. We just need like this. So, salamat. Now let's wait. Wait.
100.
Let's wait. Guys, I'll see you in part 2 because I will show you my haul. Bye.